Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIBA update for Monday 18th of July. And right now there's something that I just want to bring to notice on this update. At the moment I'm on the 1 hour time frame, and it seems like we had a particular resistance that has been broken. So you're looking for SHIB to maybe just come a little bit down here, touch this level and start to move higher. And on a smaller time frame, on a 1 hour time frame, you're looking for SHIB to basically go up to this level, which is going to be to that resistance 1166 at the moment. All right, so there is bullish rectangle pattern and there's bearish rectangle pattern. So it's been a while I haven't taken the name of bullish, okay, and yeah, congratulations, but I've been actually talking about bearish rectangle for a long time for Bitcoin and this and that, blah blah blah. But right now, what we're forming in, you see, I told you it's a sideways movement. It's a big suspense, you know, come down, go up, come down, which SHIB right now hasn't really broken out of. So I'm expecting SHIB to actually go up, break this level, and continue higher as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this level to that level. And this is where we're looking to break out in the future, and that's going to be an amazing pump to the upside for 15%, but I highly doubt 15-16% is going to be a pump. What I'm looking for SHIB is a bigger target, because this could be a bullish rectangle pattern, and you're looking for SHIB to basically push all the way up to 1782, and that's going to be an amazing ride all the way to this level being 51.32%, and I highly expect SHIB to do something like this coming in the next few days, whatever, right? So at the moment I want to show you Google, and this is where I'm going to actually write bullish rectangle pattern, and let's do this. Okay, so go into the images right now, and I'm going to open up the image, and this is what you're looking for. That's exactly what you're doing. So uptrend, sideways movement, break to the upside, and that's exactly what SHIB really has at the moment, something like this. Here we are. Okay, so this is known as bullish rectangle, move sideways, break it out, and you're moving higher. So that it is what it is at the moment. But what they actually did is they took the target of the box itself, and they never took this one down here, even though bullish rectangle are meant to be measured this way. Okay, so this is what I'm going to tell you. Okay, this is my expectation for SHIB to actually come up here, but the thing is that it's better to, you know, follow that logic they implemented. So at least you're looking for SHIB to go up to that level, which is going to be 1360 and 1360. That's going to be from there to there, nearly price target of 16% to the upside. And that's it for today's update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.